Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me again on another episode of JL Jupiter TV. It is cold as ever out, and you know it's cold out when there's no line here. You're probably asking, where am I? I'm in New York City, Chinatown, Joe's Shanghai's to be exact. And what does Joe's Shanghai have? Joe's Shanghai have these soup dumplings, dog. These soup dumplings is a miracle. It's a lyrical miracle, paterical. That's what they're known for. They're known for their soup dumplings. If y'all don't know what soup dumpling is, man, it's basically a dumpling, but it has soup broth in it with like this pork mixture. You know, if you don't eat pork, you know, they might have veggies for you. I don't know what to tell you. Like I said, you got to get the soup dumplings, and we might dibble and dabble on like some Chinese broccoli, or maybe get some salt and pepper seafood or chicken wings. We'll see, but come in here with me, man, and I'm gonna show you what it's hitting for. So yeah, Joe's Shanghai, it's very communal, meaning that once you arrive, they're gonna pair you up. They're gonna put you at a table with other people, so be prepared for that. You can get your own table, but it's just a family here. You know what I mean? They're just gonna put you with people. You know, just say hi. You know what I'm saying? Don't be anti-social or nothing like that. On the weekends here, it's kind of like impossible to get a seat right away. It's cash only as well. See, that's why I love coming over here, because you just never know who you're going to meet and who's going to be friendly to you. Sometimes you'll come here in couples and just not say a word to you, and then you have people here that just share their food, and I appreciate people like that. Say what's up. They got General Tso, and General Tso chicken is like one of my favorite dishes of all time, and I feel like the General Tso chicken around my way, Mr. Chen's, makes the best. I'm actually going to try it here in New York City, Chinatown, and I'm going to tell you how it compares to the one back home. So we're gonna try this General Tso chicken here at Joe's Shanghai. It actually looks very healthy, you know?
We've got one here. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Oh, it's really good.
Same. How's it compare to Chen?
It's real juicy, very flavorful, sweet but not too sweet. Oh, you can see the chicken in here actually, look. Healthy, it's not all breading. Like, you actually get a good portion of, it looks like white meat in there, I think. It's very surprisingly good for me.
It tastes like fresh out the wok.
I might have a new favorite here. Thanks, guys. It's delicious. That's how fresh it is, man. My lens is all fogged up. Clear it up.
Better for that.
Don't break. Please don't break. Please don't break. Fail.
Can't be too careful.
I lost the best part.
What is the ladle for?
We got soup as well. We got wonton soup coming as well.
No, they have soup. Yeah, we got wonton. They did theirs in the opposite order of ours.
It's like great comfort food on a night like this. It's about 20 degrees out right now, man, and this soup dumpling is hitting the spot. My first soup dumpling was a total complete failure, but we're gonna do this again. Dude, that's hot. Ooh.
And we still have. And then alcohol.
We're gonna do this again.
Alcohol, just like sip on it, and then.
I'm doing it all in one bite.
Yeah,
you know?
that too. That works.
We're gonna do this all in one bite.
Grab that chili pepper for me. Thank you.
There's something about their dumplings so fresh. Like they just made it back there, you know? It's delicious. Unbelievable. I just love the atmosphere though. It's very lively in here. Soup is good too.
play good music. Top 40.
Alright, we on out of here. I gotta catch the bus back. Excuse me. That was good. I'm super full. It's starting to get packed here. Oh my god, I feel the hawk. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I am out of here. See you on the flip side.